Hi, how are you? So good to see you. So as we spoke about the topic today, because I was reading about it and I found it very very interesting and intriguing. So because pandemic के चलते सारी चीजें वापस हो रही हैं, back to normal आ रही है, and I know you want to get back to your acting business, your dancing business, whatever you do. I believe that if you are out there living in this world, you have to sell yourself. It doesn't necessarily have to be a product or a company, but you're always selling or buying something, right? And one thing that is very very intriguing about this study is that you do not buy on logic. आप किसी भी चीज़ को जब परचेज करते हो ना, I mean it's so fascinating to know that जब भी आप like day after I was shopping for cutleries, I was shopping for some really nice handmade dinner plates, and I needed them for a while now, but the reason I bought them day before yesterday is because I had an emotion connected to it. I wanted to buy it because I had a friend coming over whose birthday was there, so I wanted to celebrate the birthday and invite people over, and that would have made me feel good. So everything that you buy, be it my subscription on the app, be it the subscription of any OTT platform, be it any brand product that you buy, it is only driven on the basis of your emotions. It is never the logic. It is never how good the product is. आपको याद है बहुत पहले एक ad आया था. It was Samsung TV का ad, and no details about the product, no description, nothing, but it was about एक बंदा है जो कि हिल्स के ऊपर जा करके बड़ी मेहनत से बड़ी मुश्किल से एक टीवी कैरी करके एक रिजॉर्ट में पहुंचता है शिमला के, और वहां पे जाके देखता है कि इट्स अ ब्लाइंड स्कूल जिन्होंने ये टीवी मंगाया हुआ है, एंड देन ही स्टार्ट्स द टीवी एंड देन देयर इज अ ब्लाइंड यंग गर्ल सिंगिंग द सॉन्ग, एंड वहां पे दूसरी ब्लाइंड लड़की बोलती है कि ये मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, and they all are blind, and that's when he realizes the momentum of that the heaviness of that moment, you know. And that's how उस ad के बाद Samsung का sale increased up to 70%. Can you believe it? 70% sale just by one emotional ad. That tells you that we buy emotion. So make sure if you have a brand, or even if it's you, tell people that how you're connected to them. Make them feel special. Make them feel that this is something that they need, because it's gonna make them feel good. Now similarly, my trainer, I keep posting my workout videos with him, and he's amazing. Vikas is a brilliant trainer, but he's extremely honest. तो जब भी उसके पास कोई इंक्वायरी आती है, कोई बंदी फोन करती है, you know what, I want to body like that, I want to look athletic, or I want to go to like, you know, some competition, so get me ready in like 3 months or in 2 months. And वो seriously वो मना कर देता है. He doesn't even he says कि you know what, this is impossible, and you are having some unexceptionally big goals, और ऐसा real में नहीं होता है. And I tell him only one thing: do not discourage the emotions of people. Tell them the right way that yes, it can be done, but then maybe the duration is going to be much longer than you were expecting. And yes, truth actually makes a lot of people run away. They don't want to work hard, but the idea is to always make them by connecting with them, by involving emotions attached to their goal. Like me, I am working out so much because my body is my brand. I am a sex symbol, and I don't mind it. I love it. If I go against the grain of how I am known as, I would be fucking it up for me. You know, I'll explain you how this thing is working and how the whole Anveshi Jen app is working, because that might be a question in your head, and not trying to boast anything. There's nothing very very special about it, but it's just a simple psyche that a lot of people fail to understand. I was traveling to Berlin, and I was on the highway, and I saw a board out there, and it has written, उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ था capital letters में sex, SEX, and I said what? And I just opened the window and I looked out, and I said what is written there? And in small letters वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था कि drive slow, your family is waiting at home. That's exactly what this is about. I know for a fact if I look sexy, for as long as I'm young, beautiful and sexy, and I'm coming here and you're coming here to see me, you are coming here to see me. And after you look at me, it's up to me that how I want to connect with you. Whether I'm gonna be like, you know, promoting a beauty product, I'm gonna be talking about my singing skills, I'm gonna be talking about my app, whatever I can direct that situation, because you're looking and you're liking the visual. So it is about liking the visual, and it's again about the connection which happens about what I talk about simply. So I think what I have been actually doing without knowing, without even knowing that this is a strategy. It is not a strategy, but I think I genuinely never tried to fake anything. Not the place that I stay. This is a shady thing that I've done at the back. It's a very normal house, just like yours. I talk like your friend who has big dreams, who's talkative, who might be reading books. I am just having connection and conversation with you because I know how you feel. You feel just how I feel. I know when you feel turned on. I know when you feel sad. I know when you feel lonely, because I feel the same way. I'm a woman, yes, I feel turned on too. I'm a woman, I feel bored, I feel lonely, and I feel like I need to have friends. Oh my God, I don't know how my work is gonna be tomorrow. Nobody knows. So the idea is to connect on the same grounds. Not try and look superior, not try and sell your products too hard on the face, not try and teach you something, but just to show you something. That's all it is about. So I hope that it gets you something to be done. And about the influencing part, a lot of influencers, a lot of brands, we think that अगर आपके पास followers ज़्यादा हैं तो आपको brands आके पैसे देंगे, आपका deal crack होगा 10 लाख का 15 लाख का, you will crack a deal and post and advertise them. It is not exactly how it works. There is a thing called engagement rate, and engagement rate is about how much you're perceiving of what I'm saying, how much you're believing in what I'm saying, or how much you really like this person who is trying to sell a product. A lot of people, what they do is they will say, if I want to say promote this Mont Blanc emblem fragrance, okay, and this is great. I say this is great. Now you do one thing, you tag 10 friends of yours, then you share it with 10 friends, you invite 50 people, and then you will get a free giveaway. Worst ever approach. Do not tell your clients to do 10 things at a time. If you want them to buy, just tell them one thing. For example, if I want to sell something, link in the bio, come join me. That's all I say, right? Simple as that. Don't complicate things. Make it as simple as you can and let them know that it is going to help them in some way. Always remember, I learned this wonderfully well, and this is something that really helps. The money you're going to make in life is always going to be directly proportional to the problems that you are capable of solving. Take the Amazon guy, Zeph. He is extremely rich man. Why? Because he's solving problem on a minute basis. I want something, it's gonna be here tomorrow. Quick services, quick returns, quick availability, quick review of the products that you're going to buy, making your life easy. A tutor that you have hired, he's making your life easy by teaching your kids. A trainer, he's coming to home, training me at home and giving me the body that I need, that's going to get me to position myself even better than I am right now. A singing trainer, anybody who is charging you money is helping you in some way or the other. Think about it. So just find out ways of how can you help others. Why PUBG is so famous? It's helping people to get rid of their boredom. How is the app working? Anveshian app. I'm taking away your loneliness. I'm talking to you on the app and making you feel better about yourself. Not a conscious effort, but this is just happening very organically because I understand that we all need help and we all are emotional in some way or the other. So I hope it helps. I'm going to go on the Anveshijan app, and if you want, I would talk about it. If not, it is going to be a fun session because that's what Anveshijan app is about. It's not about this. This is for you because you might need it. Bye.